Victoria, it's a
This is the elevator at
You watch the TV.
Faith Community Church in Duxbury.
Former history.
It's here.
What's a history?
And it's a Whirlteq. Oh, I think we're gonna need some lights in here. Oh, okay. Turn the key to the right.
Wow. Impressive. So don't get caught in here, Brandon.
I won't.
Welcome. So
I will need some light though.
in the dark in a second. Can you figure out the light? Push it in a little bit. And then
There we
you
go.
And I think you have to turn that bottom right key also, Brandon.
The bottom right key to run.
Yep. I think you go clockwise.
Okay, I think I got it. All right, let's start at the basement.
You want to go down first?
Yeah.
Let's jump in.
You wanna?
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Oh, we have to close this gate.
No, it closes by itself.
Oh, it does.
So Victoria, what are you up to these days?
Stop and shop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you out of school now? You graduated? Congratulations. Last year? Or
Yeah, last year.
Okay. So my son graduated the year before you. So, yeah.
Yeah, he's in college.
Yeah, I know. I remember the whole crew went. All right. The basement's not much to talk about. It's our storage area.
All right,
Let's get a cab view. And it's typical LULA elevator. Means for wheelchair use.
Oh,
There are the buttons, and there's the phone. No certificate, but the capacity should be around 1,400. Let's take this up to 2.
yeah, we gotta hurry up, and church is starting here pretty soon, there, buddy.
Order.
Yep.
Passed inspection recently. I guess I didn't get the certificate in. I think it was just a week ago.
Nice.
We added on to the church probably 15 years ago. So as part of that, having the elevator installed was
Oh, good.
to make it all ADA compliant.
Yeah. Nice.
So you just push that open.
All right.
All right.
All right, you want me to go out first?
All right, because we're done, we got to turn the key counterclockwise and turn the key to off.
There you go, bud.
Josie, can I interrupt
And
you? Is this-
there it goes.
Oh, of course.
And that'll be it.